The National Marfan Foundation is proud to honor Nancy Brown with the 2012 Hero with a Heart Award. Nancy, who is passionate about improving the health care of people in the United States, is a major supporter of the National Marfan Foundation and its programs and services. Working in the best interest of the American Heart Association, she sees the value of partnerships with the NMF and other heart-related organizations that will be a win-win for all. During her tenure as CEO, the American Heart Association has become a global leader in the discovery and dissemination of heart disease and stroke science. Under Nancy's leadership, the AHA announced its bold new 2020 Health Impact Goal to improve the cardiovascular health of all Americans by 20%, while reducing deaths from cardiovascular diseases and stroke by 20%. Nancy recognizes that AHA's laser focus on prevention mirrors the NMF's objectives for people with Marfan syndrome and related disorders. That's why the leadership at AHA has provided support in each area of the NMF's mission. American Heart has played a vital role in the National Institutes of Health's Marfan syndrome clinical trial, which is looking at a potential treatment for the aortic enlargement that affects people with Marfan syndrome. AHA's support has enabled patients to overcome financial barriers to participating in the trial. Without this, we would not have been able to complete trial enrollment last year. American Heart has also played a significant role in amplifying one of the major campaigns that has driven the NMF since 1995. When the AHA took leadership in creating the first ever guidelines for the diagnosis and treatment of thoracic aortic disease, they welcomed the NMF as the patient advocacy organization that would give voice to the issue for those with Marfan syndrome and other related disorders who are at greatly increased risk. For 15 years prior, the NMF had been the lead advocate for those at risk for an aortic dissection. Now, with the AHA guidelines and Nancy's blessing, the NMF formed the Thoracic Aortic Disease Coalition to increase public awareness and put the guidelines into doctors' hands. This synergy between the AHA, the preeminent leader in cardiovascular issues, and the NMF, a rare disease patient organization, is a model for others. This partnership is a powerful force that saves lives. A longtime supporter of the Heartworks Gala, Nancy's presence here underscores her commitment to our life-saving partnership. It gives the NMF great pleasure to honor Nancy with a 2012 Hero with a Heart Award for her leadership, her friendship, and for her dedication to improving the heart health of Americans nationwide.